Hey, so today we're going to check out these headphones. I tried researching about these headphones on YouTube before buying them, but to my surprise, there were too many people that didn't speak English, had English titles, but they were not making videos in English, and their reviews were not comprehensive at all. So, two fears going into this. Those two fears are audio and video latency and microphone quality. I will report on that for sure in this video. Those are two of my biggest concerns. So these are Airpod Pro knockoffs or replicas. I didn't buy them necessarily because I wanted to flaunt some fake AirPods. I just found them to be a good option and an alternative to a lot of other headphones. So and plus I could fit a lot of I could find the cases pretty easily. Hopefully the AirPods Pro cases will fit it because I did order two AirPod Pro cases. So it says inductive touch, both earbud switch freely, pop-up pairing. This is a Chinese company actually. I did check their website. It's a Chinese company, and I think they do also come with the pop-up feature that the original AirPods have for the iPhones. So yeah, let's see. Okay, the box is not that bad, and if I have not mentioned till now, then I'll mention it now. I've actually bought one of their products before. The main complaint I had with that thing was the magnets were too loose, and that's the same problem here. Even though the people who were reviewing it were saying that the magnets are good, but the magnets are definitely pretty loose. So if you put on a case, for example, I don't think this is the AirPods Pro case, by the way. So if you put on a case, it's not going to close that properly. You see, it doesn't have that click to it. So I guess we'll have to do with that. That's the one flaw the second generation knockoff they did had, and this one also has that flaw. So they look pretty identical. I actually did had a chance to check out the original AirPods. So quality definitely is not there, but they're good either way. They do come with a case. Even the second generation one did come with case. It did come with a case. And let's see, let's put these things back in there because we also have some ear tips. I really hope these don't have the audio latency issue, but here are the ear tips for the earbuds themselves, and I think there are 2 or 3 different sizes. I don't think I need them. I need to see if these things are even worth it or not, because I am going to use this mainly for video consumption, to watch podcasts and stuff. And if it doesn't work out pretty well, then I would have to return them. So it does come with a pop-up function. As you see, I've already connected them. So let me put them in. I'm not going to do that corny stuff people do by shaking their head on camera and stuff. I'll pause the video, I'll check and see if there are some issues with it or not, and then I'll report back. Okay, so we are back and we are here. So my fears didn't come entirely true. The video latency issue is not really that bad. It is present, meaning if you're really like OCD, like if you really notice that type of stuff, you will notice the audio latency issue with it. It's really like microseconds, but you can notice it even though it's Android Bluetooth 5.0. But the main area where it shines is music. Like it plays really good music. Like this would seem like a high bass statement, but it's really true. I did had a chance to check out the original AirPods Pro, and they sound exactly like this. They sound exactly like this, or maybe I just listen to very limited amount of genres, meaning I mainly listen to like EDM, house, or hip hop and alternative and stuff. So those genres have typically very hard hitting 808s and stuff. So they sounded great with that. I have yet to test it with R&B music or soul music or wherever. I don't know how they handle vocals, but as for hip hop and the typical genre that most people 80% people right now listen to. They work amazing for that. Good amount of bass, and they definitely sound identical to the original AirPods Pro. And one good news for you people is these do fit the AirPods Pro cases. They fit perfectly. So that Joyroom thing is gone. Nobody would probably notice until they hold these, because the magnets are loose, and those funny sounds the earbuds make when you open the case and when you connect them and stuff. So people will probably know, but that's not my concern. If someone were to ask me what are these, I will tell them that these are not original AirPods Pro. So great for music. Audio latency issues are there, and that's about it. If you have any more questions, you can drop them down below, and I'll answer them. And wireless charging does kind of work. It doesn't work properly. It does just kind of work. So as you can see, they do work. And yeah, that's about it for this video, and thank you for watching.